Today we are taking you to Keesaragutta Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is about 30 kilometers from Hyderabad. This beautiful temple is located on a hillock. The history of this temple leads to Treta yuga. It's a very beautiful place and surrounded by greenery. Lord Rama installed the Shiva Lingam here to atone for the sin of killing Ravana. Lord Shiva himself appeared before Rama and presented a Sivlingam for installation. Hence, the lingam in the temple is called Swayambhu Linga. Even to this day, several lingas are found all over the place outside the temple. It seems these 101 lingas were brought by Lord Hanuman from Varanasi. Sunset in this place is so beautiful that words are not enough to describe it. It's a must-visit place with your loved ones if you are at Hyderabad. We'll keep getting you hidden gems of India. Please do subscribe.